Hello viewers, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll give you a updated bit.ly tutorial. As you can see, like a couple of months ago I made it. I made it like 6 months ago, which has a older version of bit.ly. And recently I went to bit.ly and noticed that they updated their website, so I needed to make an update video about it. So this is pasted from my other video. So hello everyone, welcome back. Today we will show you the common URL shortener bit.ly. It's basically something that where instead you can just paste this link inside the program and it will just generate a URL of its own, which is way shorter. And then one thing about these URL shorteners is that you should never randomly click on them from random people, because oftentimes hackers and other people can use it to hide their own URL. And then to go to bit.ly website, type bit.ly. And then at the next slide, I'm going to talk about why I'm making it. You're not going to go to the website yet. I'm going to show you. So at the old website, which I showed you in this video over here, you are able to shorten some links without a bit.ly account. I think if you did it too many times, then it'll tell you to make an account, but you can just close and reopen your incognito window and then it'll start working. So you could do it for free without making an account. If you had an account, if you already had an account in your main browser, you can just open up an incognito window. And then here's an image of this that I got from my video. As you can see, you can just put your link in here and shorten it. It doesn't advertise creating accounts. And in the new website, you cannot find anywhere to make a link for free. I have this video of it in the next slide. As you can see, I'm on the website. I'm trying to scroll down, trying to find anything. There's nothing to make free links except this thing that where you can put this. You can put it over here. I pasted in my long URL before I started recording this part. See, it's telling me to sign up, and there you go. You have to have an account to make it. So right now I'm gonna walk you through the steps to making an account. So first, go to bit.ly. It's right here. I put it over here. As you can see, it's still the same thing today. You cannot make it for free. And then what you will do is you'll click on sign up free. And then you'll see all of this. Bit.ly is super beggy. They really want you to pay. It's like one of those software or a website that's so beggy they want you to pay. They over advertise their premium plans. I really hate websites that do that. Free, get started. You can sign up with Google, which most of you will do. You just open up a Google. You just click on it and choose your Google account. And then if it shows that page, click on allow, and then you'll be taken to the home page. For me, I made myself a burner email. If you want me to make a video about that, tell me in the comments. I can make a video about that. So this is my burner email. I might disable it or delete it after this video. Take 80k test, that will be it. And then a random password, which I'm gonna save. Oh, it's gonna force me to do all of this, so I'll put this, and then hold on, I'll fix all of this and be right back. Okay, let's see if it works. Still. Okay, let's see if it works now. Finally. So you kind of have to mess with the password thing if you're still gonna do that. Cross this out since I'll show you how to do it. It will send a email to that for verification. I'm just gonna ignore that. So over here, you have all of this thing. I'm gonna show you how to use it. It's pretty simple. All of these is useless because I'm mainly showing you just how to use it for making short links. So you can click on create your first links. As you can see, Bitly has this like dumb system that where in 1 month you can make 10 links in total, and then only 5 of them can have custom back half. So this is also frustrating since Bitly is really trying to get us by its subscription. So I just don't like it. Just share the long URL. Google Forms has the option to share the long URL. Yeah, you have that. You can change your title if you want. It's not really going to do anything. You can put your customized back half. This is already registered, so I'm just going to put a 1. I'm going to generate a QR code. Okay, here you go. And then after doing everything you need, make sure it's entered over here. If you want to edit this, you can. If you don't want to, you just leave it blank and it will generate one of them. You can only do this 5 times if in a month. And then there you go, super easy. So now you can copy it, share it with everyone, it'll work. It has all this stuff that will show you if who used it. It's gonna get you to upgrade if you want to see extra stuff. Useless. There you go, it just takes me to my channel, everything's working. So this is basically how you use it for now. And there's no absolute way to delete it. Edited and redirected links cannot be deleted. That feature I also don't like. Bitly is kind of too restrictive in my opinion, but yeah. And so that's all about creating an account and creating a link. Hopefully this video helped you out, and have a great day everyone.